Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: account, device, and connection. Sign into Zepto Cafe using your verified email or phone. This authenticates your profile so personalized options appear. Once signed in, allow location and notifications when prompted so the app can show nearby cafes and live availability. If you're on a browser, enable cookies and pop-ups for the site. This keeps session state and payment flows working. Now move directly to selecting a cafe from the home screen to continue. Once you've picked a location, tap its listing to load details and seating options. Review hours, menu, and any occupancy limits, then set reservation time or immediate seating and adjust party size. Add menu items or special requests and confirm modifiers so the kitchen gets accurate instructions. If the app requests two-factor authentication, complete it now to protect your booking. Make sure your default payment method is valid and authorized. This avoids delays at checkout and guarantees your spot. Finish by reviewing the confirmation screen. Note the QR code, reservation ID, and estimated wait. Save or screenshot the receipt. Once you arrive, open the app and use the check-in button or present the QR at the host stand to confirm seating. If payment was required, verify the transaction on your statement. If something goes wrong, no confirmation, app stuck, or network errors, clear the app cache, restart the app, or switch to mobile data. If problems persist, contact Zepto Cafe support with your reservation ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.